Good morning, everyone. It is go time for me this morning. It is Zayden's 4th birthday party, and I am on my way first before we start to prep and load to get my famous chai tea latte hot, no water from Starbucks. I really got to cut down on that a little bit. But anyway, I wanted to come on the camera this morning and introduce myself because I am always behind the camera. But my name is Ayana. Ayannna. And sometimes that can be a tongue twister. So if you want to call me Anna, that is fine too. But it's Ayana, and we are just getting ready to prep for Zayden's birthday. It is a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle theme. It is super cute. I have worked on this party since about the end of June, 1st of July, so I know it's going to be over the top. I know it is. But anyway, when I come back, before we actually load everything up, I just want to show you a few highlights of some of the things that we'll have at the party today. But anyway, thanks so much, you guys. And it is really something coming on camera for the first time, because a lot of times I am very camera shy. But I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate you watching me, so I have to come on camera and just introduce myself. So stay tuned. I'll be back with some of the highlights, then we'll prep and we'll get loaded. Now, I probably won't be able to show you the whole process because it's going to be super busy. It's so beautiful this morning. So they said it's supposed to rain from 2 to 6, and the party is 2 to 5, so keep your fingers crossed that it does not. It won't. It won't. I know it won't. But anyway, if so, we'll take it inside. That's fine, because it'll still be so cute. But anyway, let me go get this chai tea latte, and then we are going to get started and get everything loaded. Okay, so I don't want to spoil everything for you guys. I know you're waiting for the end. So these are just a few highlights. We have our poster boards here that is going to go on the food table. This is our Instagram prop here for pictures. And then this is some of the things that are going on the sweets table. They are personalized cookies and chips and fruit snacks. We also have the personalized coloring books here with the crayons, the personalized water bottles and Capri Sun. And we will just save the rest for the end.
Good morning. I'm coming live to you guys from down in the Southern Entertaining booth. I've dedicated my time and efforts into this last little function. I also want to say that I'm trying to record myself today, and today I just found out that there's an awful lot of damn Ninja Turtle stuff going on around here without my consent. But I'm gonna get to the bottom of it, and I'm gonna check the inventory and check the expenses report, because I am the bookkeeper around here, and without me, there should be nothing available to be
You
done.
are done. Okay, so my husband Chris thinks that I am not going to put him in this YouTube video, but I am going to put him in there just for that. This is how he plays all the time, and he knows that today we are supposed to be in beast mode, but this is what he does, so I'm going to put him in there just to show him. Okay, so we're getting set up here, and some of the things that we did was to make a personalized backdrop. So here is the initial setup of the treat table with the backdrop and the tablecloth all ready to get started for the party. And then thank you to my aunt Cassandra, because she knew I was doing a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle party, and she told me about these turtle shells at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so we're getting everything set up, but I wanted to tape this part because I don't know if you can see these little bugs flying around. They are love bugs, and they come every spring and every fall, but they are such a nuisance. And it's like two bugs that fly together. That's why they call them love bugs. And they were supposed to be to control the mosquitoes, but they are so irritating. So in the last clip, I forgot to make room for the cake, but this is where the cake will go front and center. And thank you so much to Bacon Sweets Academy. I literally showed her a picture and she delivered. You guys stick around to the end of the video because this is just pure talent. Okay, so since the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles love pizza, what do you think was on the menu? You got it. It was pizza. And with these pizza boxes, I ordered off Amazon, and I'll make sure I link it below. But I ordered the labels off Etsy. These are personalized, and they definitely added a very special touch to the birthday party. So our Instagram photo props was definitely a big hit at the party. You take a picture with the birthday boy, and you can also post it to Instagram. So this definitely got everyone at the party kind of interacting with each other, and it was really a big hit. So here is everything all set up. And again, thank you so much to Bacon Sweets Academy, because this cake was literally the showstopper. And like I said, when I went there, she scribbled something on a piece of paper, and when I picked up the cake, she over delivered. Like, she didn't have to save a picture of the cake or anything like that, but the kids enjoyed themselves. And at the end of the party, we have these favor boxes here, and they were able to fill them up with all the personalized treats, like the personalized chip bags, the cookies, the fruit snacks. So it was just an amazing time for us. And thank you so much again to my Aunt Cassandra, who we talk many evenings about this party. And she is like the best event designer / decorator in the Atlanta area. And what I love about her so much is she is very cost conscious, and unlike me, she is not a procrastinator. She gets it done, and she gets it done well ahead of time. But these shells were definitely a big hit at the party because the kids were able to take them off the back of the chairs, and they were able to play with them along with the props that we used on the sweets table. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends, and also share this video with someone who's planning an upcoming birthday party, because I hope that it will be able to offer them some great ideas for their party. And if you're not a subscriber, we would love to have you as a subscriber, and make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notifications each time that we upload a video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye-bye.